enti ba ko pena okoye no betimi ayeden akwa konyim eno ntina o kase ba ko pe no ka se o ye ba ko pe ampa ba ko pe no betimi akofa aba ai betimi ko kwanyise
eni ede ege empiriwanyin se etade ba empem bebre media kakra mission hunu mako kakra mako hunu se broken homes most of the time and single parenting no so ya de ha adwempa o ma meti apa party ya di media nyame adom a media misi so no mikonya mariwa mienu enti no mabomwade apoma mitu bi na da meka mu na bi da me paase enti omuko ba bia mayo omu boyfriend omu bibia na we kura no mehu bi da abawe bi kra no ma me se okọ ba bi so eyokro bi asema meke omu nimpa na ni fi ho ewo fie bi se ne ma me sori o sori ahemachi na o okoye ni okoye omu ani bo omu so na akwala na nyum
ono a maame ne ennim
dabi
ana papa nso ennim dabi na na wa abofra ye nnim ne papa
enti ya hwe courses no de mpa na de mpre wanyin se taade ba e mayo ade mame ne ma ne nkasa na ma de omo wo format nyina e wo wiase
sanete
yo tina udi kan chenda se wa ma ya kwenya that's right nkusanso ede ba na se kwan a efa so asa mpre wanyin se ne ba no titiru no efifie fie ne se awofu ni nyamber nkyerɛkyerɛ mmabu no ana sam age na menu abe makan no bra we chase se obunufu a ora ne adolescents ye were late and early adolescents adolescent no se awofu ni tumi kyerɛkyerɛ mofra no aye kan protocol se sex education eto ase ansa na we pie abonten akwakotie na afoforo beka nsa nkyerɛnkyerɛ na nkoso pii ana wante ne ho ase ne bobrem na esesa na se a otumi koye nea ensese oya a one be mehia obetumi anyinsen bio nso nnamfo wa bonten aye kan potokasem pie pressure eno nso ma akola no tumi wura sa atibia nim esa ne se na adamfo akyerɛ ne se etimasi oye ne chia say na beba e fine e na what nso sambre na okohia na onim ne ovulation ye ka bibi ovulation abai wabu ne nsawia fiti 14 days kon osantu nkosua afoforo se sambre no akwala nim a otumi be mehia onyem nti so onya ayonkofa afoforo na wo sa bre nim a otumi fa nyinsen no nti peer group pressure nso hawo na fe nso rape ni ye woni ani da ho enania eni na e friend violence sex obi wo ha na wofo se bebe ma na se ne wo fa ne bibi ono o hawo abofra no wo ndam nti ayesa ape in the form of sa akwala ne nti ne ho ase no rape no ena e bia mpofri ma na one way ko ni school obetuma to ahye no so na rape no nti eno nso tumi de akwala ne nyinsen a onya ese onte ne ho ase se ye rape no na fe nso ohia bi we abusua ma ohia obabia betwa ho ani anto fema wadi sikachi na wode obabia no akwakohye bibibonim abusua pia na se tribe bi wo a opese ne ba early stage na or early adolescent ni ra marriage mu because of money nti eno nso tumi ma abofra no ra santi popotima onyema ebe ha na asetena nti so nya edeba titiru na mabobo pii no menu ya ba so
edi be ka nti no samria obia wabomode a cheche ne memu no ohia rape case ne ne keka ho no emma wo wiase ankasa no mo no ni amu betimi aye wo wiase gi nyame because so say ade we na me pawo ye ne den enoa no be kwa akoye odofo Paulina Fabi kanwe Amaka kan die
the me de beka hone say courses ni bi this say na all can
that's right
a bit to say early marriage me chinya kakra so early marriage
we are fancy and now you gan
early marriage into ye da kola ne ko aware mu ntem te say na all can otiminyim akola was that age and so there me sure say only more about nyinsing or bit me take care of ne ho and not the kind sexual violence me were to certain kind rape sexual violence ni boy bia me kai time I covered by you know we had higher number of sexual violence because they were home into bebre enya echo through her stage na ma bebre into for now no capable of say ultimately say adolescent teenage pregnancy or stroke yeah that's what I can say.
Wow. It's not just a COVID time, you know, bia to us so bia and cover bia single a man so no nefe aje sem and obi so on one on ne cry a can motivate you know when me I ka dey be match ajinsem all right yeah how are you be modern prevent a teenage pregnancy because pain baby no bibia bia ebesi bia necessity mi so ano nti kwamben so na anka wo adwen mu ani usu ehunu a wanya wo health promotion mu no wo de be ma afoforo iti e wa bonten e de fa ho omonye den na omotimisi ano Abdullahi.
All right me pa cho answer na me ba prevention mposo no maminka effects ni kakra essence abofra no onim hwe na okomu ayi no onim bema owo yare ana oni yare ti obetima akoto yare montentan ti ebit say STDs obetima ayeden akoto mu bi ena abofra no mpo na wafa nyinsen no abofra no se akwese na nani na no ho so se ebesi nti etime de adwendwen eden ebre no nti saa adwendwen a ede be bre no enu nti ebetimi ama wayeden ne bana obewo no ida se ne muduro no enye den enuru sene nka esese eye den eye ananse obewo abra enuru nemre yewo nka ayire so anonko oba bia anonko wo so onye 40 weeks ans na waye den wawo na efi say efi range 37 to 40 na owo before sa age we na owo before sa term sa 47 na 37 na e kire se premature enti dodo na ewo before 37 no american nti eba na sa na abofra no eden enye dem die kakra macho wate nti we nyina no se yetimi ebo ye ho ban na ya ma abofra no anye den anko saati bia no mu a eboa ena essence one planning so nti wakofa saa nyense nti no emma the pressure enso eden ekosoro because adwendwen yes emma the pressure enso eden
as sikasem ka ho
sikasem
ahoboa obi sese ni awofo mpo be no
yes na ayonkufo kra mpo be twetwe no ayonkufo enso etimi atwetwe no yes sana etie na the school so be den ebetimi abo no nti odwen we nyina ho a etimi de blood pressure
me kai abraham wo school no na abariwa bi na maso ye den kakra enti me wo school secondary school by then na menya me ge yo hotel bi we baby am ko school friend hotel di joko bi oko ni fa bi anim ho ho ne yetwe palon na me twe me palon kakra na ye ba ya one day chese makoye me kwala boni se mo wi me ho no mo am ti so chale nana asa menyam me you to the best be president to enti so we tie me samre if it is not on then definitely it's not in you don't have to just be in a haste I don't can hear me ya cry say when the time is due Abdullah say afno that they say me na so afno no me wa say obakra na fe udwane asemesi no already oye wo ma po ba say they say enti no sani atibia no you get there obi nyom say adulthood na scam because ni isu anu ye pese yenyi intentem na ne ma ye ma me no mo ye ne ye bi afi ye hu say pressure di akire no enye fe di agro cry nti prevention na me je no Paulina
yo emi say yam prevention na titiru gina abstinence opotokasem ni twi mu say akola le ntwe no fi enkura agro ne nkoye kura emma bibi embesi ma awofo ntete ma wabrabo no education enye mema me nua bae di kakra aka ho
tete na okan no abstinence into you start here you went from school if you go schools now Amanacum Presby, Yakohoyane Makasa, abstinence, for them to sell information more on how to prevent themselves from teenage pregnancy. Wow. Secondly, Plan International, meaning Sewati Omonka. Yeah. Oma Bamam Swamay, Oma create adolescent scanners, most of your schools now. Important
are they the same as formal na PPA in a Plan International fund so by okay is PPA still existing?
No.
Okay.
For now I create adolescent clubs schools now with Nyama and Kolani betimidation based on some of these topics.
That's right.
So no mbedi omuhuni and I be bia oma training Kolana nkasa no my peer educators.
Okay.
Say ebia Kolani ferry so beba me hwa at least on one ne colleague enim something about it or she can take it. So obema no influence no so onkonyem ne die obetimi a train no. So we are hoping say by the end of this
I just mama license no na ka offer plan into home
there be can say but so no be born home by like abstinence on train so koya the ABC like
when him say gone are the days not a starting fee SHS but now JHS for lower primary even JHS me carry me former office na me ben school bi na me teachers na ye fine me say madam be free girl bi no bizan say why you be that na man tin you no more can I say because I didn't know no say mo bon ko na madam say obo me hwe say na onufu ayi de why you be that no say madam aye ba akopɛ na me say nti JHS need to me catch no madam say why ba akopɛ so that case no they've already let's say sacked themselves up say we send a TBA and I think say most of the times to the parent.
Yes.
Because we all know one will share single room.
Good.
And your kids are sleeping in the room with you and Sebio baby koso we ebia a hole in a chamber. You see you should know the time in Kolada.
Yeah.
If you are managing a small room, you know when they are even asleep. Then you can do whatever you want to do. Sebe legally there, you see kitchen craft famano, washroom famano, baby a famano. Ain't you know, Paulina, when you're ready there, don't do it cry because baby I make us a famano. And I mean, was here casa see you too for sir. Thank you.
Even with what they all kind of see, in Kolano, it's a more educate omo peers no. Even they educate their parents too with plan.
Wow.
Until now, we are just hoping say by the end of this year, our teenage pregnancy.
How often do you do it? Because there should be something
they have outreach. Club no, it's for them. It's for their school.
Okay.
Creative with TVs, games, books to learn on all these things.
Okay.
So it's for their schools. It's permanent.
Right.
It's for their school. So they will use it. So they have a teacher or a chaperone. Let me see, a chaperone or take you on through daily. They have their timetable. They go there and all that. Yeah.
So how many cases now, Paulina? Grace, my record so far. My record cases for
now. I mean,
this month my record and not last month record last 2 months record and this year in total when
the year hasn't ended, so we are still waiting until the year.
But there are more cases coming in.
Not really like last year.
Since you come home to be a so Benjamin. I think that has a common also as a near our for cry form
we are working.
That's right.
Ama akai say yensre awofo and yen assemblyman and
opinion leaders.
Yes. Queen mothers. Say omomwa omomramu emwa na se mran ketinketi bi wo honoma ye betimi aye ewo ye area e betisa assemblyman betimi akasa o me area edru mrewe a mempese yempese yebehu abofra wadi saa owo ne teens mu yebehu no ewa abonten and in the same vein no Queen Mothers no so betima abamu aka we
and now she share machine ubo first nyoma ye nkwala 20
yeah sa and
the program form ubo nyoma na obi hu nkwala 20
sanity and ebia ye ayi a Bruce amre we ye den ye pon ohun ento aso ohun se ne be enko anajo ema omu mfefo no enya omu hu kwan.
Mr. Abdullah, due to the second game, you know, minimum said Thursday, mobile but Thursday there you won't you know, your monitor wahana, minju be a last submission. Grace.
All right.
Grace in me, Grace in me. Okay. And
maybe the chat on the say, I will phone yeah, we won't painful and edidang nyama no. It is say yenya listening year man kolano. Yenya similar case or baba J card antenna or by 13 years. But madam who na just say a scan almost 8 months. But kolani jina wa baga say obi a wedi amen a pregnancy. Not so the child went and told okakache na office say na driver bi ayen but born and also say onye no correct
driver free
see I'm concluding say we should have listing years amankola no se be I be so
anyway with drivers issue driver for the omo ye me nan fofo but no correct woman say so kada for so ye nan fofo but the woman say we obi a wo maba driver bi na de ne ko school oba bi a try say woni ni bi din komo. I've just assigned myself. Say if a young man made your more, the mother should be able to send them to school or the school bus. Me case driver being casino because and then won't mean you be and do we are say. And you know, or last word name at the pa. Ain't my Polly?
The most.
Chubie.
You.
Never remember Grace or
it's here in paying for now. District Health Minister Captain North and name is facility. My poor chips say we should be gracing our able to work hard for the public health to go on.
Okay, well, that's it. Now when Chiano,
Mitia,
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Before I met you, I'm in call for
okay, great.
Week way for COVID. Vaccination.
Right.
Yeah, COVID. Yes, I COVID biome. Fitienra, which was Monday till Sunday.
Unless I woke up my says here.
And patching. Oh, more baby. A coupon for never woke up my
because me too maybe a idea. So maybe na name me girl no me jano. And I say here I'm a fafu for inti.
Why na for?
Ono cramming kind of deal.
Inti me pamocho. We be sure mo be a first dose or second dose or booster a bia ya wo bia wa be wa onim. I did COVID. I why okay.
And I went you
which yeah, me couple DHMT. And Madam phone na.
Madam phone na. Where got you jibo?
Okay.
Thank you. High five for
you.
And anyway,
all right.
Office that one baby or them me question when you say me catch your last person. For catch them say me counting I see. I was like
yeah. Yo, and na me kase obia hwe ne ho yie wo ye tina bomoden na hwe wo ho yie se ne be ya wonkonkoto de ye kan mu na so emma se o school be se ya na bibisa all right na COVID-19 so ye pese ye kire se ye am obia se obia ka ho bi nti se wonwo odia bomoden fa sa kwanya yi so aba amaye nti ye momoden ne ye nya den ye nkowo emma obia anya ne immunity.
All right. Into hopefully Thursday more ba.
Me pacho
into wine out chiano.
Me pacho me chia titakwachi aduma efo nyina na machia me yere nsuso.
Thank you. And they went chiano let me no problem so him. All right, me that Grace I say me that Paulina say and I me that line so I say they've been my good friends. Grace them the first time obeni. What about that? Hey, me said that. Hey, me say so. Mo fan me. Right, it ma show be answer ene. Maybe na. Mo kan say there be me ne jai. Since I am the Grace sin na 9. Intimidasi. All right, we share your friend and I call me. Perry, wait to me from the finest. The men in our catch you in me to us so now. My Bomadiama sports team no take you over nefe. Omode the next commentary no Eddie bro. A authentic power right on our command. It is stay tuned. More to come.
Bambi, Bambi, my dear, my dear, my dear, my dear, I want you here. Don't get too near, for there's lions beware. Oh, Bambi, I won't lie.
Radio 97.1.
Many dance nina new. Aye ankasa don na mi don wo. Na eba no sign no don queen na mi me de.
Let me sign on your station. Akoma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. You know what it is. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Red one. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. Upon the walk on every street. Upon the ball, I win the world on my feet. Hit every discotheque and I